all my responsibility.
Superintendent of Police ka East KHASI Hills ba Sylvester Nongtenger ula Bthah ya Baroh Kiba bor badai kmi ya police station bat outpost bapher khenang ban pentikna bagi kali Sorkar ki Pynieng ha ki Jaka ki balong Shngain bat ban kiar na ka jing Pynieng ha ki kinriang jang ka surong. Kani ka jing Bthah kalami hadin bakla don ka jing thang ye ki kali Sorkar jang ka tenat Public Work Department ha kedai nong minsong. Ha ka steps ngining kong bala deb. USP uloong ba kene ka jing Bthah ka thmu banyada na ka jing sha thang dusman ya ki kali Sorkar de ki riu bamman. Ula kenturu ya ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East KHASI Hills ikong RM Kurba ban Bthah ya ki weide ki tenat Sorkar ban bu ya ka juhi ka jing Bthah.
Issue various instructions to all the OC and IC and ensure that all the vehicles should be parked in a safe places, especially the government vehicles should not be parked in the roadside. This not and we have issued instruction that the vehicles should be always parked in a safe places, also to avoid this miscreant to burn down the vehicles. Of course, we have requested DC ma'am also to issue instruction to all the other departments to ensure that the vehicles should be parked in a safe place, especially in the late at night.
Ka all